Hi besties, how are you all doing? It's so good to be back doing another vlog. How's your day going? How's your weekend? Is it warm? Is it cold? Or I don't know, how you doing on the general? If you are just meeting me for the first time, you're just coming across my face, my page. Yes guys, it's Anita William, and yeah, I preach a lot of good news, and you're welcome to my page, you're welcome to my world. Please don't be shy, just subscribe, join the family. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Feel free to show me your love and support. It means a whole lot to me, and I am grateful. And to all of my returning subscribers, oh my god, I love you guys so much. Thank you for your constant support, thank you for your love, and thank you for just staying amazing, staying true to the dreams. You all are the real MVP, and yeah, welcome to my channel. And I hope you stick around guys, I hope you subscribe, I hope you get to know me, okay guys? And I hope you enjoy this vlog, and I love you guys. Hi guys, let's do a mini haul together, and yeah, this and this. So this one is from Zalando, and my younger sister sent this, so let's see what's in it. I know she would like me to call her a Fosa's wife in this video, but yeah, my younger sister sent this. Okay, I think this is just the tracking information. It's a carbon clean. Let's see what's in it. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, tiny feet guys. Oh, like this is so good. Thank you, wifey. I know that's gonna make us so happy. Thank you, wifey, we love it. Oh, this is so pretty, honestly guys, like that's so cute. Then myself, I ordered this. Let me show you. It's from Shein, and it's a shoe. Oh, this is so pretty. I put that kind of stuff. This is so pretty, guys. Oh my. Oh, wow. So pretty guys. Yeah, it's in pink. My birthday is coming up, so yeah, this is so pretty. I like it. It's so pretty. Okay. This is the bag. Sorry. It came in that bag, and I also got this purse. Let's see. Good, right? I love it so much. The last but not the least, we have these pair of sandals. Let's see. Oh, okay. Pink. I am in my pink girl era, guys. pink girl era. I am in my pink girl era, guys. I don't know, I'm suddenly in love with the color pink, and that's that about the Shein items. I just got 2 pairs of shoes and a bag. So let me show you what I have in this bag. This is from Temu, and yeah, let's see what's in it. Now open. Oh, okay. This is a goalpost for Efosa. I'll show you it afterwards. I'll unbox it and show it to you guys. It's a football post. Oh, this is pretty. Because it's summer and I felt like it needed some cute platform shoes. Look at this. This is so pretty, and I think it will fit him perfectly. Let me see. Let's see. Papa, let's see your legs. Oh, please, okay, allow mama, please. So you see, it is perfect size, and let me show it to you guys. I don't know how to show you, but don't worry, I'll show it to you guys. But it is perfect size and it's so pretty. I like it. This is nice. Georgie, can you see this? So this is so pretty, guys. And I got this for him. And let's see what's in here again. Oh, okay. And you know, he's now learning to work. So I tried to get him some soft shoes. The Nikes and the rest are quite, I don't know, they have thicker soles. So I got him this to work with, to learn how to work. And I think this is gorgeous. If you're, I don't know, I think it's pretty. What do you think? You think it's nice? The quality came in on point. Now let's confirm if the size is on point. Which leg? Okay, this is it. But hold on, please. Oh, but I love it, guys. Nah, this is so pretty. And you know what I love about it the most? The fact that it is the socks. Like, it feels so good. Oh, I like it. This is this is a nice buy, a really good buy. So I got something else. Okay, I got this because, of course, it's me. I would definitely buy it in multiple colors. I got this and this because why not, you know? It looks cute, so of course I got it. Yeah, then I got him this pair of Crocs slippers because why not? Let's see. Yeah, because why not, bruh? Yes, my love. Nice. So I got him that pair of Crocs slippers. I got him this face cap. What do you think? Cute, right? Yeah. Hey Papa, say hello. Say hello. I'm wearing the face cap. And of course, because I'm extra, I got him another one of the socks shoe. This is cute, right? I know, right? It's so cute, but it looks a bit big because this looks bigger than the others, so definitely this is not the size. But yeah, we will make it. Work one way or the other, but that's cute too. And we also got this Croc slippers. Oh my god, is this not beautiful? This is pretty, but I don't know if it's its perfect size yet, but yeah, we're gonna make it work. So what else did we buy? Oh, these are so tiny. Can you imagine? So tiny. Okay, we'll make it work. This is for my painting birthday party coming up. So tiny but cute. What else? Okay, this is for Efosa's photo shoots, his balloon photo shoots, and this is the outfit for the photo shoots. 10 months, he's 10 months. And oh, okay, these are some sets of painting brushes for my stick on paint. And yeah, I think, yeah, and that's all that was ordered. So see you guys. I love you. Bye. Okay. Ta-da.
Take your take.
This is red. Does this go? No. Perfect job. So many couples for Georgie's.
Yeah, put that on.
Should we open it?
Yeah, come.
Yeah. Okay, let's open it.
Carry always come down. Walk down.
Every 30 seconds.
Potato much.
What are you doing?
Baby, your matter, Joram, Fosa. Fosa, you don't follow this guy. I can't be following this guy. You follow the guy. You go. I will tell you that idea.
Maybe don't put you ready. It's okay, Mama is coming.
Come, take.
I tasted it and it's amazing. I highly recommend you try out this recipe. You will love it. Like, it's giving Chinese, stir fry, baked. It's giving everything, but it's really good. Really good. I recommend. Okay, come and join me, my lovers, my besties. This is a place of goodness. So guys, I just got to the university today, and it's actually student week, and they're setting up. A lot is going on because they have a whole lot of activities that they do usually on this said day, or said week rather. I remember when I rode on this, it was so scary, but yeah, your girl did it, guys. No, I was trying to do a video if I still have And guess what? Maxwell is here. He came for the football competition, so we came to support him and see him. Hope he scores the goal. Though I think we're almost late, but it's better late than, I don't know, not coming at all.
Go far, not to my own. Go! I like you!
Just one person.
Kings! Dante! What's it pay?
Come on!
Goodbye!
Put it down! What's up there?
Shit! How the football ended in, I don't know, the note wasn't good enough for me, but yeah, they won us. Yeah, give me a high five. High five. High five. Yeah. High five.
To do.
Doogie.
It makes sounds. Doesn't it make sounds? It's cool, but it makes sounds. And it works. It's from Uncle Deji and Uncle Diana.
Oh,
Like it?
say yes, I like it. Thank you so much.
Very funky.
Yes. Thank you so much, Diana. Thank you, thank you. Fosa already loves it, honestly.
It's actually cool for practice.
I like it. Auntie brought a gift for you.
This is such a big boy. Option.
I think so, the vote of confidence. For the vote of confidence. I told him thank you for the vote of confidence. So yeah. Oopsie, dipsy.
Linia numer 15. Kierunek Wójtowa Wieś, Pętla. Sorry.
What's up? Mama G.
Birthday boy! Birthday boy! Birthday boy! Birthday boy! Are you proud? Like, what's the attitude? Show them what a good way. Oh my god.
Who is this man? Always. You are, see where they tell me I like food. Now you go. You cannot defy go YouTube. Now you follow up. I know what
I thought I was gonna be the only girl, yeah. Yeah, guys, so Julia is here. Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you, baby.
You know they live Wale.
My G. Now my wallet.
We are trying to bribe people so that they can carry you. They are trying to bribe people so you will not.
Man from Sambisa.
This is very fair. Hello.
Yo, this is your bestie. This is your bestie.
Voilà, look here. What's that?
Hey!
Win it.
Hey!
I'm a kid like that. Win it.
no joy, many mercies we saw, never sorrow more joy. I don't try, I don't think you stop to try till I get enough money to get the bound. Orí mi pé mo jáde tán, kára ayé máa lọ rí mi tán, ojú mi gan ti tán. Orí kìrìkìrì ló bẹ̀rẹ̀, ọ̀tá pass, mo ti fẹ́ hàn, mo ti fẹ́ hàn.